On the bottom right of the ChurchPix interface, there is a button to overlay a logo. By default, it is the BroadcastPix logo, but that can be changed to your own custom logo. It's designed to fade on and to fade off. To modify that logo or to update it with your own, clicking on the gear setup button on the top right, then selecting Edit, and clicking on the window that has the logo assigned to it will allow you to modify the parameters for that action, for that button. Clicking on the Event tab will show you the pre-assigned macro that is by default assigned to that button. You can modify that macro by clicking the Edit Macro window. In the macro, there is an action item that says Set Logo. By clicking on the image that says Click to Change File, you can navigate to any other logo that is on the system. So by going to either Graphics, Logo, and picking a different logo. And clicking on the Save button will then update this graphic and this button on the bottom right. Bringing the logo on and off is as simple as clicking on the bottom right, the thumbnail of the logo. Clicking on it will automatically fade it on, and it can stay up for as long as you want, even if you go to a different camera. And by clicking it again, it will fade it off. The button to the left of the logo button allows you to put a 2-box or a picture-in-picture effect. It is designed to bring up cameras 1 and cameras 2. And they're designed for however they are set up, meeting the camera shots. If we wanted to have 2 close-up shots, we needed to make sure that each shot has been configured to a close-up shot. Now that we have 2 close-up shots, we can click on the 2-box effect, and it will bring up the 2-box. Clicking on that same button will automatically remove the boxes in the background and return to camera number 2. The default still is this purple background. To modify that, similar to how we changed the logo, clicking on the gear icon, clicking on Edit, and now on the 2-box button, selecting the Event tab and Edit Macro, you now can change what the still background is. So instead of the purple background, by clicking on that image, you now can go to the aqua background, say Open, and Save. Now when you select on that button, it will use the aqua background.